So it is English test number 2, and the first question is synonym of acute. What is the synonym of acute? And its correct option is D, extremely severe. Option D is correct. Next question, synonym of mutable. Synonym of mutable is correct option is option C, changeable. Next question, synonym of bashful. Synonym of bashful is easily embarrassed. Next question, synonym of unsullied is, as the correct option is option C, not spoiled. And the next question is I eat mangoes. इसका हमने वो पैसिव वॉइस बनाना है, तो इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, मैंगोज आर ईटन बाय मी. मैंगोज आर ईटन बाय मी, ये इसका होगा पैसिव वॉइस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द UNO इज द forlorn hope for world peace. Forlorn hope means, its answer is option A, desperate enterprise. Next question, for this act of indifference he will be taken to task by authority. Here taken to task means, its answer is option D, get an official reprimand. Next question, idiomatic phrase a month of Sundays means, its answer is option B, a long time. Next question, he said the hotel receptionist, can you tell me the tariff of room. ये डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट है, तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है डी. he asked the hotel receptionist if he could tell him the tariff of room. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.